Stop stressing over perfect meal timing. Total intake is what actually drives muscle gain. Here is the real evidence behind the 3-meal versus 6-meal debate, and it might surprise you. Gym bros everywhere swear by eating 6 times a day like clockwork. But if your total calories and protein are already on point, does frequency actually matter? The short answer, yes, but probably not the way you think. Funny moment: picture someone sprinting to the gym locker room between meals number 3 and number 4 like it is a real sport. Meal timing obsession has become a sport of its own. A 2024 meta-analysis in Nutrients examined 18 randomized trials on meal frequency and body composition. Total muscle gains were similar when protein was matched, but distributing protein across 4 or more meals produced greater lean mass gains over 8 to 12 weeks. The reason: each meal should deliver about 0.4 grams per kilogram of body weight to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Frequency matters less than the per meal dose. 0.4 grams of protein per kilogram per meal, that is the magic threshold. For a 70-kilogram trainee, that is roughly 28 grams at every main meal. Step 1. Divide your daily protein by 4 to find your per meal target of roughly 0.4 grams per kilogram. Step 2. Eat 3 or 4 meals, not 6, whichever fits your schedule without starvation. Step 3. If breakfast or lunch falls short, add a protein-rich snack between meals to hit the per meal threshold consistently. The myth says eating 6 tiny meals keeps your metabolism humming and prevents muscle loss between meals. The truth: total daily protein matters far more than meal frequency. 3 solid meals or 5 smaller ones both work, as long as each feeding delivers roughly 0.4 grams per kilogram of protein. Eat in a pattern you can actually stick to. Today you learned that meal frequency matters less than per meal protein dose. Pick 3 or 4 solid meals and hit your per meal target. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 13, we cover strength training, the absolute non-negotiable for any real muscle gain.